off the duckies.
Woohoo!
Scoop, Tasha? Yes. Here's the net. Can you scoop them with the net? See how Mom's scooping?
Aw, Remy wants to scoop too.
Yeah, he does.
Nice.
Good job. You want to do it again, Bob? Or you want to go swimming? Alright, I'll put them out. Ooh, careful. You don't have any fear, do you?
No.
Ready? There you go. Spin, spin,
Wow. Good job, buddy. Look at him go. Good
I
job.
got a dart stick.
All right. Nice, Grayson. Go get it.
Wow. That was so good.
What a good swimmer.
Yeah, that was so good. Jeez.
Wow. Look at him go. He's great. Hi, Tasha. Hi, Remy. Hi.
Good job. Can you come to Mommy?
Hi, look at you got all the duckies. Look at all those duckies, Tosh. Nice.
You did so good.
Grayson, you getting all the dive sticks over there? Here, go under. I'll make a video of you under. Go under. Good, Grayson. One more time? Okay. Ready? Go under. Nice, Gray.
We have some dive sticks.
Yeah, that's what he's playing with.
Oh, it is? Okay, cool. What's wrong, Vaughn? What's wrong?
Nice.
Blowing bubbles.
Woohoo! Very good, kids.
Want to go over to the stack? Okay. Stand right here. Is that the one? Want to stand here?
Woo! Hi, Remy. He wants to duck.